So we are at Avrupa Konutlari Yamanevler. Now, the blocks that you can see behind me, this project is developed in 13 blocks. It is developed in three phases. So the first and second phase is completed. As you all can see, it started from there and this is completely occupied. Now, the only options available for sale is in the Avrupa residence. These two blocks are where you've got, they have apartments from 1+1, 2+1 and 3+1. And you've got 4+1, 5+1 duplexes. So amazing development. You've got 23 commercials in just the third block. So if you can see all the commercial, you've got restaurants, you've got cafes, you've got medical here. These all are operational. Even this block is a 33 floor block. These two blocks, 65% of the project is occupied. So let's go ahead and check the apartments here. So this is the shops at Yamanevler, Avrupa. You've got a meat shop here. You've got a bakery here. You've got a lot of stores here. You've got a chemist here. So you'll get everything under your building. You've got, we'll show you the other side as well. You've got a lot of cafes, restaurant. You've got McDonald's, Starbucks, a lot of other cafes inside your building. And that's McFit. McFit is one of the biggest fitness chain of fitness centers here. So you'll get swimming pool, gym inside McFit. So you've got McFit in your building. You don't need to worry about the fitness center. So this amazing complex can become your house in Turkey. Look at the community, look at the development. You've got towers here. This is Avrupa Konutlari in Umraniye. Look at the amazing development. You've got McDonald's here. You've got the cafes, restaurants, and these are the developments. So amazing development. Avrupa Konutlari in Umraniye, right in the center of Istanbul. I've seen a lot of projects, a lot of lobbies, but this thing at Avrupa Residence Yamanevler is absolutely different. Look at the size of the lobby. This is the security. And let's check this portion. Now look at the entrance for the lift. And you've got your elevators here. This lobby is like a lobby of a 5-star hotel. And these are the elevators. It's an amazing development. So you've got 3 elevators in each block. So we are checking out a 177 meter square 3-bedroom hall kitchen apartment at Avrupa Konutlari Umraniye. This is the living room of the apartment. So you've got 2 big windows here. This project is developed by Artaş Group. Artaş Group is known to develop apartments with decent sizes, good sizes. So look at the living room. It's huge. You can have your television unit here, a grand sofa set here, and you can have the dining on that side. You have a window this side. The view from here is also amazing. This is the 33rd floor and you can see you've got Anadolu Bank's head office here. You've got Vakif Bank. This is Umraniye. The project is very close to the Yamanevler metro station. Now the best part of the house is this huge balcony. Look at this balcony, look at the size and look at the view. So you've got greenery in front of you. This is the Beykoz forest area. You can see this is the E80 highway. You can go down to the European side. This location itself is very central. So from this highway, you can go to the European side in like just 10 minutes. So you'll reach the Bosphorus Bridge in 10 minutes. This project is very close to the financial center of Turkey. So as you all know, the finance center of Turkey itself is in Umraniye. So it's very close to this project. We'll go ahead and check out the bedrooms. But before we go ahead, let me show you. So this is the smart security system. Using your application in your phone, you can operate your heating system, cooling system using the smart security system. Let's check this kitchen. So all the electronic appliances is being delivered by Siemens. You have a 3-year warranty of all the electronic appliances. So you've got a microwave oven here, you've got a Siemens dishwasher. So developer is providing you all this with the kitchen. You'll get these modular kitchen. Look at the drawer, look at the finishing. We check out a lot of projects, but the quality of Artash Yapi in all the projects are amazing. So you have a electric cooktop, you've got a chimney here, and look at the view from balcony. You've got the entrance for the balcony from here as well, and look at the view from this window. You can have your breakfast in the balcony in summers. You can enjoy this green view in the city central area of Turkey, Istanbul. So now let's go ahead and check out the bedrooms. So this is one of the kids' bedroom. This is the toilet and bathroom. It's by Vitra. All the finishing and tiles. You have a very decent, and you'll get with all these drawers. The finishing is amazing. Now let's go ahead and check the second bedroom here. So this is the second kids bedroom, a very decent size kids bedroom. Even in the kids bedroom, you can have a big wardrobe as well as a double bed wardrobe here. Now this is also a very smart thing that they've done. You've got a laundry room, a small room wherein you can have your dryer, you can have your washing machine. You can show this. So you have the space for your laundry room here. So now we'll check out the master bedroom. So this is the washroom and toilet of the master bedroom. And look at the size. You'll get 2 bedroom halls, living room of the same size. So this is the size of this bedroom is as good as a living room that we see in Istanbul central sites. All the bedrooms are facing the forest. You've got amazing forest view from all the apartments. So now let's talk about how much this apartment will cost you. So this apartment, 3 bedroom hall kitchen, and the best part is it is in the city central district of Umraniye, will just cost you 667,000 US dollars.